This is a different kind of chemistry. This is love. I don't believe in washing my dirty linen in public. And I'm just private. I'm private as a person.
देखिए ये एल्बो पे हाथ लगाया, इसका क्या मतलब है?
Of course the industry gives out malicious gossip, and of course if you don't like.
काफी बिची हो गए हैं. क्या बात?
ये लीजिए.
क्या बात?
खुलासा.
आप स्टार नहीं है फरीदून, आप बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं. आपकी बहुत बड़ी फॉलोइंग है.
We have with us प्रियंका चोपड़ा एंड शाहिद कपूर. इतने ज़्यादा आजकल ये लोग बिजी हैं प्रमोशंस में ऑफ तेरी मेरी कहानी दैट कहीं वक्त नहीं मिल पा रहा है. So we are squeezing it in the middle of a car on the road right now. They're on the way to some promotions. Pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama, guys, and congratulations for the huge response to the promos of Teri Meri Kahani. The music of Teri Meri Kahani is on right now. Mukhtasar, I think it's become quite a craze.
Well, I love the song. Mukhtar sir has been Shahid's favorite song through the making of the film, by the way. He was the one who kept telling us that Mukhtasar, 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 it's Mukhtasar. Loudly in the morning we used to hear Mukhtasar every day. So yeah, I'm really glad that it's done well. And by the way, we are not squeezing you into the car, we're taking you for a ride.
Squeezing in time, man.
We're not. Actually, we just thought we'll have fun. हमेशा हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं studios में. This time, you know, Shahid's driving, music. It's just fun.
Definitely an exclusive, a Bollywood Hungama exclusive. Shahid, tell us about the music. I think Mukhtasar में जो piano का जो एक element है, you've used in the theatrical trailer as well. I think that's beautiful. You've been getting a fabulous response from all across.
Yeah, man, the response to the music has been really, really good. We're all really happy about that. And yes, Mukhtasar was my favorite song. I still remember पहली बार जब मुझे कुणाल ने गाना सुनाया था, I was sitting at home and I started jumping on my sofa. I was so happy. I really like songs like this. I mean, I've had a few songs like this in the past, like Bakhuda and stuff. Basically, songs which are romantic, and then you take them and put them into a mix which is very clubby and very dancey.
Right.
I always feel those kind of songs tend to last longer because they are melody heavy and at the same time you can dance to them. Right. So I really like the song, and yeah, it's doing really well. I mean, according to your sources, which we can all depend on. So very happy about that. The film is coming out on the 22nd of June, so just another 20 days to go.
Right.
Gearing up the promotions, remembering what it's like to be up at 8 in the morning, which I haven't done for a while.
Okay, no, I think it's not merely my sources. I think the songs and all they've been trending. I think that's all. I think it was number one as far as international, worldwide. That is something.
But in fact, we were all really, really shocked because the music had just released online. Even the CDs hadn't come out, and within I think an hour of the music releasing, that's all I really want to do was trending worldwide. And what was really cool was that everybody was using it like a tagline.
Right.
They were hashtagging it, and then they was like, blah blah blah, that's what I really want to do, blah blah blah, that's what I really want to do, have a cup of coffee, that's what I really want to do, go for a walk, that's what I really want to do.
Right.
So it kind of became like this term which everybody was using to define their state of mind,
right,
which is really nice because it kind of connects with the film.
When it comes to Shahid Kapoor and Priyanka Chopra, the kind of chemistry that you guys had in Kamine, I think was outstanding. Many people have been asking for a sequel. We've discussed that in the past as well. You had 8 scenes in the film, but still, I think you made your presence felt. कोई rape किया है मैंने तुम्हारा, वो आज भी लोगों के ज़हन में बसा हुआ है. In fact, the way I think he performed, he has a I think benchmark because Kamine, everyone will say that if he can do Kamine, then we want more of that stuff. Now you're coming back after Kamine, so does it put pressure on you guys because people will be expecting a rocking chemistry?
Well, we always have rocking chemistry. I don't deny that. Right. But see, chemistry has a lot to do with the writing of a movie.
Right.
And Kamine, both our characters were written, Sweetie and Guddu, were written like that.
Right.
And here they're written very differently. This is a different kind of chemistry. This is love, and it's beautiful, and it's pretty, and it's fun.
Right.
Whereas in Kamine, it was Kamina. So. Yeah, I think.
Guddu was Syrian back then.
Yeah, but I wasn't.
Achha, you were.
Charlie was
So badass.
badass.
You should not be Kamini. You should be Kamini.
Only for those 8 scenes.
Great. Perfect, in fact. अभी आप गुनगुना रही थी कोई गाना, तो आपका फेवरेट गाना कौन सा है?
मेरे 4 फेवरेट गाने.
ओके, तो आप चारों सुना सकते हैं?
नहीं, मैं गाऊंगी नहीं. लेकिन मुझे उफ तो बहुत ही पसंद है.
Right.
मुख्तसर ऑफ
आपको
कोर्स.
पता है इनको गवाने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो इंडिया से बाहर ले जाना पड़ता है.
आजकल टैक्स लग रहा है उसके ऊपर.
दूसरा यू विल हैव टू बी अ वेरी वेरी बिग इंटरनेशनल म्यूजिक कंपनी.
सही बात है.
लोकल मामला नहीं चलेगा.
पिटबुल से कम तो बात ही नहीं
हाँ,
करती है.
और आप किस इंटरनेशनल स्टार को ला रहे हैं इनके साथ गुनगुनाने के लिए या इनका गाना मिक्स करने के लिए, समझते क्या हैं आप?
इंडियन सिंगर से तो बात ही
ऐसे
नहीं
थोड़ी
होती.
गाएंगे इनसे. हर आदमी जब से वापस आई है एलए से, हर आदमी एक तो लाइन गा दीजिए और ये हर बार नहीं नहीं
अरे
नहीं
नहीं,
गाऊंगी.
वो तो
ऐसे
मैं
शर्मा
हमेशा
के-
हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि
शर्मा
अभी
के
से
मना
नहीं.
कर दे रहे हैं.
पर ये तो नया है ये कि मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि नहीं मैं नहीं
आसान
गाऊंगी.
थोड़ी है इनसे गवाना.
मुझे शर्म आती
नया
है.
तो है इनफैक्ट जब से यहाँ पे ये एल्बम
नहीं
का
आपको
LA में शर्म नहीं
मतलब
आती, आप
मना करना
बॉम्बे में
नया
आती
नहीं है ना.
है. Right,
मैं
right,
हमेशा मना करती. एलए में बूथ के अंदर क्यों मैं मना
हम
करूँगी?
आपको बूथ के अंदर ले जाते हैं.
नहीं मुझे शर्म आती है.
ओके. Both of you, I've asked individually in the past that how you guys handle the gossip and all that comes about you guys in the newspapers and the tabloids and all. Since you guys are together, I just very honestly have to ask something that whatever stories come about, like say especially about the link up stories about you guys, in fact, both of you, in fact, how do you deal with it? That हर दिन जो है वो क्या क्या आप कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या आपने सोचा, क्या क्या आपने कहा, हर चीज़ की खबरें सामने आती हैं. Does it bother you? Does it upset you?
Of course it does. I mean, whoever turns around and says that it doesn't, I can't imagine that, because to me it bothers me tremendously. It's a professional hazard, and I know everybody says you should get used to it and blah blah. I'm not used to it. But at the end of it, you come to a compromise where you know the truth and you know what's important to you. And I think it's important to live with that.
But you know, at times it becomes slandering. I've been meeting you for the longest period of time. You've always maintained a very हमेशा मजाक करना and just laughing and cheerful all the time. But when stuff becomes slanderous, in fact, and it becomes cheap at times in the newsprint, it must be like revolting for you. How do you just maintain your equilibrium?
I don't. I don't maintain my equilibrium.
But we don't
at
see you
all.
blasting as such in print. You're very level-headed even at that point of time.
Well, I believe in dignity, and I think that's more important than anything else. I may be blasting at home. I don't believe in washing my dirty linen in public, and I'm just private. I'm private as a person, so I prefer to keep it that way.
शाहिद कपूर, अगले हर दिन जो है कुछ ना कुछ नई खबर आपके बारे में होती है. How do you tackle it? Do you feel at times that maybe certain people they are jealous कि यार देखो he just interacts with such good looking women and all, and कुछ ना कुछ इसके बारे में लिखो?
I'm very happy that I interact with beautiful women. It's wonderful. I think it's one of the really very nice things of this profession. But they're also girls. They're also normal girls.
Right.
They also, like Priyanka said, want to live their life with dignity.
Right.
And I don't think it's something which anybody appreciates कि यार मेरे घर के अंदर क्या हो रहा है ये दुनिया देखे या सब लोग देखें. But honestly, I am learning to get used to it because there's nothing that you can do about it. And I think मेरे लिए personally मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं react करूँगा तो that is also giving people fodder to talk more.
Right.
And that's not something that I want to do. So it puts you in a situation which is awkward and odd sometimes, but I honestly try and not think about it at all because, like Priyanka said, eventually, you know, as far as your family, your friends, and the two people who are being talked about know the truth, and that equation is good, it's all good. But yeah, I think it does get overboard a lot of the time.
When you see pictures in a tabloid and say you are holding the elbow of Bipasha Basu and that becomes like a story in itself.
कितनी गलत बात है देखो.
बिल्कुल. Next time when you're there in the public eye that अरे यार मैं इसको अगर मैं कुछ भी करूँगा तो कुछ ना कुछ उसका चीज़ बन जाएगी. Do you become cautious?
It just leaves you with a really funny smirk on your face. I mean, you're like, seriously, like when you meet somebody, you give them a hug, you will hold their shoulder, elbow, or whatever it is. And that really is something which needs to be, you know, you need to put this huge big picture with a circle around there. देखिए ये elbow पे हाथ लगा है इसका क्या मतलब है? It's a scary thought, and I'm glad right now it's only happening with me with pretty women, and it will not move to men and boys and animals very soon.
क्या बात है?
As far as it's there, I'm still learning to live with it.
Now both of you are good looking. You were in a relationship quite some time back and you've not been officially in a relationship after that.
Which of the two are you talking to?
I'm talking about you.
Achha.
Okay, and now don't you feel that love is important and you would like to be in a relationship and go back home and be with someone?
ज़्यादा फिल्मी love stories ही करता रहता हूँ.
नहीं, love story तो वो तो आप that is make believe in fact.
No man, I think love is not make believe at all. I think our films, yes, of course, because you need to entertain people, there has to be a certain amount of make belief element in them.
Ji.
But I totally believe in love. I think it's the most beautiful thing in the world. And I think the best thing about love is it makes you do everything that you never thought you would do.
Right.
Your sane mind never thinks of things which the insane heart can think of when it comes to love. And to me, that's the most exciting part of love. And I think it is probably what makes the world go round. And I mean, it sounds like a little bit of a cliche, but it is true.
Okay, you know, many a times you have tweeted that insomnia has struck me once again, and you know, अगर कोई आपके पास में with someone and all, you know, life अलग सी हो जाएगी ना कुछ.
मतलब
अगर आप जैसे आप you're in a relationship.
Insomnia wouldn't be so bad. is
Exactly,
what
in
he
fact,
means.
insomnia होगा ही नहीं फिर.
क्या मतलब फिर मैं एकदम मतलब टाइम पे सोने लगूंगा?
हो
No,
सकता है
silly,
बिल्कुल.
you'll use your time well, is what he's saying.
What makes
नहीं
you
आज
think I
मेरा
don't
मेरा
use my
मतलब
time well right now?
मेरा मतलब वो नहीं था बिल्कुल भी.
झूठ
आपका
है
क्या
फरीदू, झूठ
By
है.
God, मेरा मतलब वो नहीं था. In the sense कि आप, you know, it becomes systematic. Everything becomes systematic in fact.
यार
Hey,
मैं
ये
coffee-
perception है.
मैं
जी.
कॉफी बहुत ज़्यादा पीता हूँ
जी.
और मैं सोचता शाम को ज़्यादा हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों. And I also work out at nights. That's just my system now. My system is used to that because I mean you're kind of working through the day. So insomnia is something I'm quite used to now. Like right now also I've slept 3 hours and you can see मैं कितनी बातें कर रहा हूँ. So it's something I'm used to. I don't really know whether falling in love is going to solve my issues of insomnia. In fact, it might just add to them. You never know.
Don't you feel like being in love in fact and being in a relationship?
I always feel like being in love. I'm in love with the idea of being in love.
Yes, said it today. That's the statement of the year.
I'm in love with the-
announces that I am love.
वो भी ठीक है, वो भी चलेगा. And I know for a fact that when it's something that numbs all your sensations. It's something like Shahid said, makes your brain not function. It makes you do stupid things, and I'm hoping that when it happens to me, it'll be all of those things and more.
I'm sure that you must be looking for a father figure in your prospective person who I think you're very close to your father.
Every girl looks for somebody who's like her dad, but I would like somebody who's fun and somebody who treats me like the most special girl in the world. That's all.
Okay, and how's your father doing now?
He's all right, thank you.
Now, we spoke to Rani Mukherjee once and she said that a few of the journalists have told her that certain gossip stories about her were actually given by certain stars from within the industry. Do you think that is possible? A competition can do that in the industry?
Doesn't mean it's girl stars. It doesn't mean that it could be anybody. At the industry doesn't mean that it's necessarily your colleagues who are female actresses. Of course the industry gives out malicious gossip, and of course if you don't
boys भी
like
काफी bitchy हो गए हैं.
क्या बात?
ये लीजिए
क्या बात?
I'm just
खुलासा.
नहीं मैं खुलासा मतलब I'm just saying it's possible.
हमें पता है.
अच्छा फरीदून आप भी काफी you have a group?
यार मैं स्टार थोड़ा ना मतलब हमें लेकिन एटलीस्ट
आप स्टार नहीं है फरीदून, आप बहुत बड़े स्टार हैं.
क्या
आपकी
बात
बहुत
है?
बड़ी फॉलोइंग है. People
बात
really
है?
love listening to all your
नहीं, but you know
interviews.
the thing is I'm on the other line of the fence in fact.
I don't know about stars.
जी.
I don't know if it's just actors or actresses or. I mean, the film industry comprises of so many kinds of people, and of course they give out news because कहीं कुछ देख लिया तो बातों में बात निकल गई. I don't think it could be malicious slander, and of course unless you hate someone then they do it too. But that's like any industry. चाहे आप अपने प्रोफेशन में ही देख लें, चाहे आप हॉस्पिटल्स में देख लें, इंजीनियरिंग में देख लें, कहीं भी किसी भी प्रोफेशन में, if you don't like somebody you create issues for them. It's normal human
Hospitals में
nature.
लोग कैसे कहते होंगे ना, उस डॉक्टर ने वो वाली स्टिचिंग ठीक से नहीं की.
नहीं
What
स्टिचिंग
would
की
be the
बात
bitching
नहीं
there?
होती. उसके ज्यादा पेशेंट्स आए. अच्छा अभी मैं देखता हूँ उसको ना बिजी कर देता हूँ.
उसका अपने पेशेंट्स के साथ चक्कर चल रहा है.
No, I think it happens.